Okay, the honorable judges, let me introduce myself. My name is Devia Purnamaningsi, and I come from the Institute of Tourism Ambarukmo, Yogyakarta. And I stand here to oppose that motion. This house, where all production and consumption of meat is banned. They have been said that the government team start to prohibit all process of the production and consumption of meat for the several reasons. One of which is based on the intensity of meat taken from animals to be reduced. And I absolutely disagree, because I think they claim to replace meal consumption with vegetables or plant-derived. Meanwhile, it is essence of animal that can be consumed to fulfill human food needs. Even if the availability of animal as a source of human food is something that needs to be supported, especially for the meat consumption, which contain a variety of fiber, which is there are so many nutrients. It's proof to you that although the statement from the government team for the survival of these animals, but is not enough to support the prohibition of the consumption of foodstuffs from the meat. So, this is not a wrong thing to use. I go to the status quo that we living in the world. The meat is necessity that cannot be separated from the human consumption. With the consumer who are high on the need and desire, which is the meat itself contains a lot of fiber such as energy, vitamins, protein, fat, calcium, and many more, which are part of the metabolic needs of human needs. Our stance that we are of the opinion to continue to encourage the production and consumption of meat by the perspective as the consumer and producer, as well as actor in the use of meat ingredient. And our goal is for the benefit of human as consumer who needs meat. So I think that the government team is no worried for the quantity of the meat production and consumption. For the mechanism that we will use about this motion is firstly communicating between the producer and consumer to balance the need and availability so that it does not become a damage. And secondly, review the market of meat to find out how far awareness in the use of meat and why it's unjustified if they say that meat consumption will pose a threat to overproduction. So I state that this is not a threat because of the need for raw meat as a basic human ingredient to provide that meat production has quantitative control. For example, for a company or factory just manage to carry out comprehensive supervision so that it's not make a meat production as an exploitation. So, it's proof to you that meat production and consumption are part of the effort to meet the needs that do not to be banned for the activities with various provision, one of which is the quantity that needs to be balanced. And I'm proud to be oppose the government team state, and thank you.